Good day everyone. Today's Literature Talks is about Journey of the Magi. T.S. Eliot's Journey of the Magi recounts the spiritual and physical journey of the Magi traveling to witness the birth of Christ. Journey of the Magi offers a stark modernist take on the biblical story of the Magi's journey to Christ. Through vivid imagery and its reflective tone, Eliot explores themes of spiritual transformation, disillusionment, and the tension between the old and the new. It emphasizes that true transformation often involves sacrifice and uncertainty. Thus, it reminds me that growth often requires going outside the box or leaving behind our comfort zone. This poem or literary piece resonates as metaphor for spiritual searching and the way such quests reshape our understanding of the world. That's it for today's Literature Talks. Thank you for listening.